What is a High Point University Instant Decision Day? It's exactly what it sounds like. Students and families from across the nation are flocking to High Point University, and an HPU Day of Discovery open house experience bundled with an Instant Decision Day is the perfect way to really feel that excitement of campus. After families spend the day exploring all the offerings of HPU's campus, from dorm living to dining and classroom exploration, students come together and receive an envelope with their admissions decision. Then, surrounded by their prospective future classmates, this happens.
Honestly, I was so nervous all day today because it's such a perfect place and you can't really find anything like it. And so I really feel like I'm so lucky that I was fortunate enough to be able to get a spot in that school.
You're gonna make me cry. I'm so proud of her. She has worked so hard and she did this all on her own. She applied, she found the school. She said, it's exactly what I want. It has my major, it has my minor. It just had what she was really looking for.
When I opened the admissions decisions, I immediately started crying. I'm just looking forward to meeting everybody in my freshman class.
Beyond that excitement, and in honor of the first Instant Decision Day of the year, the large crowd that filled HPU's Quabbane Arena during September also got to witness the class of 2030's first 2 admitted students. They were surprised on stage by HPU President himself, Dr. Nito Quabbane.
And very surreal. It's one of those moments you can't really take in all the way. It sounds so cliche, but a dream come true. I mean, this was my #1 school, and it has been for 2 or 3 years now. I have 2 brothers that go here currently, and to be able to go to school with them is a dream, but also to make my own path here at a school that I'm so excited about. And I know I'm gonna thrive here. And so to be one of the first for the class of 2030 is crazy.
It was definitely a shock. I can't believe that he called me, and everybody here. I mean, it's just such an honor, and for such a prestigious college to invite me up there is just mind-blowing.
All in all, when asked, why HPU? Students are passionate about their choice to join this extraordinary campus family.
The atmosphere, how everyone is just called so much higher, and everyone walks with the spirit of excellence. It's something that I strive for in myself, but knowing that I'm not the only person walking like that, and everyone around me is walking with the spirit of excellence, and just a way higher standard than what's normal, that's probably my favorite thing.
How amazing the school is, and just the experience, how you really truly belong here, and you're not just another person in the room, and they get to know you.
We really wanted a supportive environment for her, and to find one that also really focuses on that, and the life skills portion is really unique, and I think that's what stood out.
It's a once-in-a-lifetime experience, and you really won't find this anywhere else in the nation.
There's still time to take part in a High Point University Instant Decision Day and Day of Discovery, but these opportunities do fill quickly, so it's best to register now. Submit your application at least 1 week prior to the event to be eligible for taking part in the celebration. A big welcome home to all of the newest HPU Panthers. For HPU News, I'm Kaylee Billings.